We work diligently to provide tailored solutions to our customers' needs. Once the agreement is secured, we begin specific preparations for the project. The manufacturing process of our plants is carried out according to the highest standards. With advanced technology and our expert teams, we guarantee quality at every stage. After manufacturing is complete, the shipment process begins. No matter where you are in the world, we deliver our products safely and swiftly. We promise on-time delivery to our customers. As the final step, we move to the test production phase to ensure our plants operate at full capacity. In this process, we guarantee that every detail is perfect. At Mega Concrete Plants, we are here to always provide the best. We are with you at every step of your projects. Trust us for reliability and quality. Let's achieve great things together.